Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I'm Broomy and today we're going to run through a quick tech video on how to set up fuel level sensor on your Fueltech ECU. Alright, a bit of background on this car before we get started. It's a Ford 1976 F350 with a 351 Cleveland engine EFI conversion with the Fueltech FT550. It runs a 76 litre Raceworks fuel cell and a 0 to 90 ohm sensor. Wiring's pretty easy, just wire your spare white wire input to the signal terminal, black and green sensor ground to the ground terminal. Going to be pumping in a known level volume of fuel, so we've got a 20 litre fuel cell here, and we're going to be monitoring the value of volts here on the diagnostics panel here. You can see there 0.293 volts. We're going to be noting down that volt every time we add fuel on this piece of paper here. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we need to do is go to the input screen, and we're going to find any spare input we can. Here I've named a custom measure to fuel level. Got the custom sensor analog single type enable pull up, and we're good to go. We'll go back to diagnostics panel, and this is where we're going to start adding fuel, and what we'll do is monitor the fuel level. See number 10 here, and you can see the voltage increasing every time we add a certain amount of fuel. Every time I'm adding, say, 5 litres, I'm recording what that voltage is, and we can see it going up now to 0.25, 0.95, and yeah, we've recorded all those voltage levels down corresponding to the amount of fuel we'd put in at the time. And now it's just a case of going back to our input screen, clicking fill values. However many times you recorded a value, write it down. I recorded 16 times, so I put 16 in there. And now it's just a case of recording the voltage in one column and then the corresponding value in litres in the value column. So you can put litres or you could put a percentage. I've just put litres because it's easy and I know exactly how many litres to empty. So I'll change all these now, and you can see how easy it is to do it. After this is done, the last one just completing now. And yeah, all I'll do now is I'll click the write to ECU button. So I'll write that over to the ECU software. We're good to go now. I'll go back to the diagnostics panel, and you can see here we're in fuel level. We've got an accurate reading now of 53.5 litres, 54 litres. If we go over to the Fueltech screen, you can see it says 74. That's because I filmed this a bit later after adding another 20 litres of fuel, but all good. And that's basically it. So if you know someone with a Fueltech ECU, make sure you share this video with them. Click the thumbs up icon down below, and don't forget to subscribe too. We've got plenty more tech content coming up. And until then, I'll see you later.